on the freeway, man, in a manual vehicle. That is crazy. Man, I am going to drive to get the car PPF'd right now. It's like an hour drive, y'all. Hour and like, what, 2 minutes, I think you said? And I'm trying my best to focus on the road, y'all. It's a little different compared to just driving freeway. That's kind of the easier part, but man, that car's fucking zooming. Dang, a Honda too. Making the Honda gang look bad. What's a good gear to be in? Fourth right now. We're slowing down some more. Let's go maybe third gear. I think would be appropriate right about now. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Not too bad. Man, it's weird because it's just driving, y'all. It's not nothing crazy, but at the same time, it is a little difficult. Man, this car behind me needs to give me some room, dude. I hope they don't think I'm like well, yeah, they see a Type R, they probably think like, oh, this guy's a pro at manual transmission or standard, whatever you call it. Not knowing really, I'm learning right now, yo. The driving right now so far is going good. I got, what, 55 more minutes on the clock. I'm not fully new to manual transmission. Maybe like, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago. Shout out my parents, man. Well, I think my dad, he's the one who taught me, but yeah, shout out them. I'm not a pro at it, but, you know, I had like the basics down. I don't think I ever went on the freeway back then either, though. I don't think I did, just like up and down the street. But all good, you know. I got the basics down. Kind of picking it back up right now in the Type R. It's freaking crazy. The original car that I learned to drive manual in, or standard, whatever, is let's just call it manual transmission, automatic or manual, you know. Yeah, manual was manual transmission Camry. Imagine that. But I think it's like a 5-speed though. It's a little bit of an older car, older Camry. But you know, you got the basics down in that one. Can I turn the brightness up a little bit on the screen? Oh hell yeah. It's a little weird, like holding on the steering wheel, and I'm used to the normal hatch. You know, it got freaking paddle shifters right here. But right now, I mean, this car only comes in manual transmission, man. So yeah, no paddle shifters here. It is a little wonky too, a little different, not having a sunroof. But there's no possible way to option this with a sunroof. It's just, this is more of a track car, blah blah blah. I guess, which does make sense, because like for example, a Camaro Z01, you could get that with the sunroof. But if you go the 1LE version, which is a little more track focused, you cannot get a sunroof on a 1LE. I have, it's like, what is it, 152 miles currently. I got the car with, it had like 15 miles on it, 15 or 16 miles. That sucker's brand new, man. Even 150. Some folks consider that brand new. It's under 1,000, you know. But yeah, right now I'm gonna get a mad PPF. And I hear exhaust, but I don't see no movement from somebody. Currently, I am in 6th gear, 72 miles per hour. I'm at roughly 2,500 RPM, maybe 26. Yeah, I'm driving a manual car. I like it. It's a little, I'd say it's like an upgrade, so to speak. You know, like in video games, after like certain levels, like say, I don't know, I don't even play video games like that. That's the thing. I can't give you like a direct example. I love video games, man. We can try to play them as much as possible. But I don't get to play them as much as I like to. But, you know, it happens. But then again, why would I want to play freaking Gran Turismo? I got the Type R IRL. You feel me? But, yeah, I just gotta make sure I don't hit nothing, dude. It's not a video game if I crash. This IR is for real. When you're driving an automatic, you don't think nothing at all. If the car in front of you is braking, you know, just slow down the brake too. No problem. But in the manual transmission vehicle, if the car in front of you is slowing down, you gotta check what RPMs am I at. Can I brake? Do I gotta do clutch in? Do I gotta downshift and then brake? Like it's a little not complicated, but it's different. But I like it, you know. I've been driving for like 10 years already, and yeah, this year's gonna be like 11 years, 12 years. Yeah, I'm pretty much a vet. You know what I'm saying? Like a veteran. But at home, I got a vet. Alright, let me focus on the road, y'all. But currently 75 miles per hour, approximately still 2,500 RPM. I gotta figure out how, once I get like the hang of driving this, like driving the manual transmission, that's like one part of the job, that's one step, and then the next upgrade from that, it'll be like actually, you know, because people buy these cars to, I feel like most people who buy a Type R, they buy this vehicle already knowing how to drive manual. So they probably get this thing straight off the lot and they want to like do some crazy, like Fast and Furious shit, you know? Which I do too, but I don't know how to do that yet. I don't want to risk like messing something up. But the speed limit is 75. What's this dude doing? There's a Tesla on that side, and where I'm at right now, these cars like to do some crazy things around here. We're gonna title this first drive in the Type R learning. I don't know. Think of something cool to title this. Oh, I think this car actually has the lane assist. Yeah, actually, you know what? I don't want to risk it. This car is next to me. I like testing out features like that. I mean, the hatchet works good. I feel comfy in it, which this is the same thing, just a newer car, but still I haven't tested in this particular one. See, I feel like it's way too much on the left side. Way too much. Nah, we cannot do that. I'll get pulled over if I'm driving like that. Turbo sounds are cool. It's cool, but it's not a V8. Which I'm not complaining on. This is a Type R, not a freaking Z06. But even then, my Z06 does not even sound like a traditional V8. Sounds like a V10 or something crazy. It's that flat plane. I don't know what the engineering mechanics is, or you know what I'm saying, the work behind that. But Z06 sounds freaking awesome. It sounds good, but I feel like some folks won't like it. Like if you're a traditional, like you want that American like V8 growl, like when you start the car, the fucking ground shakes. That's where the SS comes into play. Camaro SS, man. But then again, I do have a fucking exhaust and headers, and probably not gonna touch that one for a while. I was considering camming the SS, but not anytime soon. Unless these YouTube videos pick up, you know. So yeah, watch the whole video, y'all. Comment something too. Yeah. Turbos. Let me go to R mode real quick. Let's see if for sure the suspension stiffened up. Still kind of sounds the same. I was trying to see if in R mode the fake sound comes more into play. Which the fake engine sound, I'm not a fan of it, but I'm at the stage where the car is so new to me, like everything's kind of cool. So like, at this particular moment, I do want to hear the fake engine, whatchamacallit. Thank you, honey. It is very, I hear what people, let me go back to a normal mode. Dang, that is, you can for sure feel the difference. Let's go to comfort real quick. Does that get even smoother? This car in R mode, for real. Obviously, when you're gonna buy something, you look at freaking all the videos and watch them like twice. I don't know, that's what I do. Man, everybody says, oh, the R mode in it is very stiff, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, man, they're just old people. I mean, relatively speaking, I'm 26, so like, I don't know. To me, once you hit like 20, 22, you're old. Like, you like it or not, bro, I don't know. Personal opinion, everybody got something. But now that I'm 26, I mean, I still somewhat feel that way, but it's not like, oh, I'm old. It sucks. I don't know. As I get just depends if you take care of your body or not, really. I'm yapping too much, but yeah, this is what happens when we keep the camera on, man. Turn my yapper on, man. We're gonna be on here for a minute. Let's get back on here. But types on the Type R, first initial impressions, how I'm feeling, y'all. I like the car a lot. I like the car. Hey, y'all comment down below, what do y'all think about the championship white? Yeah, what I should have done, I think I may have to downshift to 5th right here. Ease off the clutch, ease off the clutch. Make sure we don't miss the exit. Yeah, for driving a manual vehicle, you for sure gotta be like in the zone, man. Like for sure. I seen this one video on Instagram. It's some dude. He's driving a manual vehicle, playing Minecraft on his phone, swiping through TikTok on his other phone, and he has like an iPad right here watching like The Simpsons or something. It's like, what the hell? Not that like that's cool or nothing. Like, man, focus on the road. If you want to be on some bullshit like that, stay at home. That's what they got the Gran Turismo for. But is this my exit right here? I think so. Actually, let's stay over here just to be on the safe side. Let's go one more. Let's go one more. Fuck it. One thing is Type R, man. Yeah, it's a Type R. it picks up speed a little bit, man. A little bit. That wasn't even like, that's probably a quarter throttle, man. 5th gear right now. I should probably go 6th gear for economical reasons, but fuck it. You know what I'm saying? This is a 4-cylinder, man. I filled up this morning. The gas light came on, you know. That's how low it was. I think it said like 22 miles until E. But the gas light came on, the actual gas light. So yeah, I was on hella, man, that's a big ass plane right there. What the? But I was on hella low gas. Filled it up. And this car takes premium 93, y'all. 30, like $4, $33. Come on, man. I think in the normal hatch on a fill up it's like $30, 29, 30 bucks. This is how much more horsepower this has and all that. Like, man, shout out to the Honda people, man. Built this car, the technicians, or however you call it. You know what? Let's go to 6th gear. See, that's 4th gear. Gotta be. Still getting the hang of it, y'all. I should have been a little more. Damn, I may have to go over one. Fuck it, it happens. May have missed. Nah, we're good. But yeah, man, on that shift right there, I was a little iffy on it. One thing about driving manual vehicles, you gotta like, there's no iffy, no guesses. Like you gotta do what you do. You know, it's like, yeah, don't second guess it. It's almost like skateboarding in a way. Like if you're skating and you're going down a little ramp, a little hill. I'm barely learning this stuff. But like, yeah, if you do that. It's like if you're like a little like, oh, am I gonna do it? If you're thinking about it too much, or for me, if I think at all, I'm probably gonna fall. But like when you're just like in this, I don't know how to explain it. You're like, man, how do you explain that? Y'all get what I'm saying though? Because if you kind of second guess a shift, you're like, I may do it, I may not. And right there, I went into 4th. The thing I was scared of was going into reverse. I'm on the freeway, y'all. So my 6th gear and reverse, it's like right next to each other. But I do gotta go over like one more notch to hit reverse moment. Still. But yeah, driving manual vehicles, you gotta be like, yeah, confident in what you're doing, you know? Which I'm still learning, yo. I'm getting the hang of it. My 2nd time on the freeway. Really 1st, and that's including the time I drove it home from the dealership. I don't even know if I'd consider that, bro. Yeah. I stalled like twice on the 1st day. Just on little roads, I'm getting the hang of it. Hey, if y'all got a Type R and y'all learning in it, the hold button, I think it's useful, man. Very, very useful. especially on hills. I mean, you still gotta like ease off the clutch. As you're easing off the clutch, like make sure you got some gas on. If not, you're gonna roll back regardless. But with the hold button, it makes you so you don't gotta press the gas as much. Like you gotta get away from this guy. It's a big old truck in front of me. In that sixth gear, going 69 miles per hour, like kind of speeding up a bit, letting off here in the turbo. That's just cool, man. I like that. I like that a lot. Go ahead and cut this off, and I'll vlog some more once we get to the PPF place. Yeah, I'll let y'all know what it's looking like.